Chicharito. Fernando Arce. The ball, Jimenez! Goal!
And Fernando, sometimes you see things that are just too special to try to explain.
All right. You know, like about 6 months ago, I got asked via email if I wanted to come to Brantford and do the comedy festival here, and I was like, you know what, I can't really do that because I'm going to be filming a movie, you know, with Sylvester Stallone's, and you know, we were going to call this movie The Caterer, and it was just going to be, you know, just a movie about us and our relationship, and we were going to be setting up chairs at bar mitzvahs and, you know, bat mitzvahs, and, you know, also for people that might have been having weddings, and we thought this was a fantastic idea. But then, you know, when the people that called me from Brantford, I was like, you know what, Sylvester Stallone, screw you. This is, you know, it's all baloney. We cannot do this movie. I have to go work out and I have to go to Brantford. You want to know why? Because Brantford deserves to have the kind of comedy that I bring to the table. It's fantastic, you know. I'll get down and I do, you know, some push-ups, and then I get up, and then maybe I'll go down again, and then I'll do some more push-ups. And you know, the people, they laugh. They look at you and they're like, man, I cannot believe you that you came here from Graz, Austria to California, and then you came all the way here to tell us some jokes. And I was like, you know what? Whenever I'm in Canada, and people always ask me this question, they're like, you know, what's up? Were you really born in Germany? And I was like, no, I was actually born on Prince Edward Island.